After trying this, you won't want to eat tangerines any other way. Let's start by adding 400 grams of heavy cream to the container. Next, we'll add 395 grams of condensed milk. Now, let's mix everything together thoroughly. Then we'll add a packet of hydrated unflavored gelatin. Now, let's mix it again. Once done, set it aside. Now I'm going to peel 5 tangerines. I'll use 1 liter of our peeled tangerines. Here I'm using about 1.5 liters. I'll insert a skewer into the middle of each. Then fill the tangerines to the brim with the mixture. Now let's add all the mixture we made earlier. Next, we'll cover it tightly with plastic wrap. All set. Now let's refrigerate it until it sets. Once set, I'll unmold it onto a cutting board. Then just slice and enjoy. Look how beautiful this dessert turns out, folks. It's delicious. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was another recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs, see you next time, and thanks.